Hi, my name's Jerry McSparron, and I'm with JMAC Engine Shop. Today's date is November the 15th of 2025, and today's engine is a Triumph Spitfire 1500, and I've built a lot of these engines. If you look on there, on YouTube, you'll find a lot of these 1500s that I've built, and they look a lot alike, and but that's why I show you the engine numbers, because they're different. This is FM37458UE, and this engine has been completely gone through. It's got performance upgrades, and it's got flat top pistons and 270 cam and new rocker shaft and dual springs and a little larger intake valves, the 1.438 inch valves that let's see. It's the head's been shaved so that it'll increase compression, and it's got a new oil pump and new dual timing, and the crankshaft has been refreshed and has new bearings and new. Just everything's all cleaned up and shiny inside. Compression numbers were number 1 is 192, number 2 was 185, number 3 was 190, and number 4 was 191. And so they're all within about 7 pounds of each other, and that's good. Oil pressure is about 80 at start. I had it really good and warm a little while ago, right up around 200 to 210, somewhere in there degrees, and the oil pressure dropped down to about 40, 41 after I ran it hard. So that's excellent. So there's no issues with that. And so anyway, I'm gonna run it, let you hear it run, and then we'll close out the video. Okay, there you have it, and I saw the oil pressure did drop down to about 38 to 36, 38, somewhere in there, and that's still plenty good at idle. And and you'll get different indication anyway, depending on your gauge and so forth. But so there you have it. If you're interested in this engine, just give me a call, send me a text. Go to my website, www.jmacenginesshop@weebly.com or .weebly.com, and you can send me an inquiry and and I'll be glad to send you pictures and so forth. Thanks for watching.